Hi Aquarius, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be looking at your energies for the end of the year 2021, end of December 2021. In this video, I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies. This is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. Take what resonates and leave the rest. If this is not your story, do not try to make it yours, alright? Let's get started with your reading now. If you want to book a personal reading with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below. So you can DM me over there if you want. Let's get started. Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus sign, end of the year 2021. Past, present and future energies. Aquarius. Okay, at the back of the deck we have the Seven of Pentacles over here. So this is more like a time where you are putting a lot of effort and as well as a lot of patience. You are patient about a situation. Things could be really not good at present, but at the same time you are patient about it. Somewhere it makes you feel a little bit of it comes with a lot of worrying. All of a sudden you feel like, okay, oh my god, what is happening, and why things are not ending. But at the same time you are being patient for the things which are happening. You want to end these things fast, but if they are not even happening, so somewhere you are just waiting for the best to come to you. In the past, we have Four of Wands, the Emperor, and the Knight of Pentacles. I feel that this patience thing has been from a long period of time. I feel that there was a marriage, and you might have married a person who was too much within himself or herself. Could be a narcissist with whom you were dealing with, somebody who just keep on saying about himself, how I am, this is me, this is I, this is myself. So this is more like a person who is more into himself, a person who is dominating. So yeah, there is an energy of dominance. It could be one more thing that you could be dealing with a situation in which your father or somebody in your family could have forced you, or they are forcing you from a long period of time for to get married or to take a decision in your life for which you really want to take some time. Okay, so this could be that thing. In the present we have Five of Pentacles, Five of Cups and Six of Pentacles. Yeah, you want to take some time because there are some things in the past which have not been ended yet, and you want to be away from all those past energies. You want to end those past energies. It could be an energy of loneliness because you could be feeling a little left out in the cold. Why the patience thing is coming up as well, because you could be dealing with a situation where you are in no contact with a person and you are being patient for a certain period of time. Let the birthday come, let his or her birthday come, I will wait till that time, or let's just wait till New Year's, and let's just wait for till this and this time. I want to wait for this person. I really want to connect because somewhere you feel a lot of connect with this person and you have given a lot of love to this person, so you are waiting to get that love back somewhere. Okay, so this is more kind of a waiting time which is going on in your life. In the coming future we have the High Priestess, Five of Wands and Strength. Okay, so it's kind of how to say this, it's kind of fighting with your own emotions, with your own strength. You are trying to, it's like two opinions coming up in your mind and in your heart. See, we have the mind energy strength and the heart energy intuition. So it's the video stopped, and I did a lot of reading after that and I didn't know. Okay, so I was saying that with the high priestess and the strength energy, I was saying that you were fighting, you are going to fight, because these are coming up in the future energies. You are going to fight with your own emotions somewhere. You know that your mind is saying the wrong thing, your heart is telling you the truth. With the mind thing, I want to wait for this person, I want to do something, but at the same time your heart is trying to tell you that, do not go into that thing, because it might not give you the happiness which you deserve. So somewhere you are fighting with these two things. With the overall energy, as a clarification, I got the Nine of Cups. So this is with the Seven of Pentacles with the Nine of Cups. It feels like you have, although you have a lot of patience in you, and you have that strong inner strength, which we say, that energy in you that is telling you to have faith in the universe. You are saying that I'm keeping faith in the universe, and universe will do the best to me, whatever I deserve, and whatever will happen, it will happen for good. I do not care for things. Things might hurt me at the end, but yes, I am ready to face everything, because universe has the best to give to me. For the Four of Wands energy, in the past we came out with the Four of Cups energy. So this is more like a disappointment energy which is coming up in the past. It feels like you got disappointed because of a certain decision making. There could be two things which I said, that one could be a decision making which was not done by you, it was done by other member in your family or any other person around you, and that decision you had to, that was made by somebody else, but you had to follow that decision, and you didn't want, and that is why that disappointment feeling is still there in the present as well, because of the past which started with that thing. Okay, at the same time, you could be, if this is a marriage thing, you could be disappointed with the marriage, because the person with whom you were dealing with was kind of a narcissist, or kind of a very dominating person, and you were not able to see your future with this kind of a person, but somehow you just went into that thing. The clarification for the Knight of Pentacles is the Page of Pentacles energy. So this is telling us that, somehow you were not ready to give any commitment to this situation. There was something which was saying no to you. You were not able to listen to your heart at that particular point of time, but somewhere you wanted to say no to this situation. It was more like, I really want to explore other things in my life, I want to study. You could be wanting to go abroad, you could be wanting to learn something new, or some kind of a new talent, or you wanted to invest in your business, or start a new business or something new. You wanted to do something else in that particular point of time, and that is why you were taking time to take a decision, but the time was not given to you. So because of that, it seems like all of a sudden things happened so fast, and you didn't get time to think about it, and now you still have that disappointment somewhere present in you. Okay, so tell me about the Five of Cups in the present energies. The Magician. See, it feels like you are manifesting the positive. You really want to just think about the positive, but somehow your mind takes you towards the negative thinking. It feels like you do not want to go towards that negative thinking, but during, like, before sleeping at night, you kind of tend to think about the negative things, and all of a sudden you feel like, all that disappointment and all that sadness has come in my life, and what should I do now? But there is that belief in you which is still present, so you have to keep on telling yourself that no. Whenever these kind of negative thoughts come up in your mind, you have to say no to them, and just say that, I don't care, because somehow I just want to live a life, and I will make that life work for myself. So you are manifesting for a better life for you, and it is actually working, because we have got the Nine of Cups in the overall energy. That means wishes coming true, wish fulfillment energy it is. Okay, Six of Pentacles energy in the present. Why it is there? The World. Wow. So you, okay, so there could be a time in the past where you could have helped too many people, okay? Or if you're doing it now, like kind of a service, like kind of a, giving somebody something which that person needs and not expecting from that person. So you are somewhere, you are ending the bad karma which is still there. So somewhere, yeah, there the things are balancing somewhere, okay? So you are doing a good job. Aquarius, very nice energies. Okay, so let's see your future energy. So, are you going to listen to your mind or your heart? Let's see. Okay, so the High Priestess energy, why it is here? Empress, wow. So, I feel like the more you are going towards within, you are trying to search answers from within. So, the more direct answers you will get from your heart. Okay, so if you are able to listen to your heart energies, if you will be like, you will be able to take any actions. I think you are going towards the decisions taken by your heart more. Let's see the strength energy. I want to see the mind energies as well. Nine of Pentacles. So this is more like a very single energy which is coming towards me. It's more like an energy where you are focusing on your growth and your abundance rather than other people's happiness. So this is more like a very beautiful selfish energy, which I feel selfishness is very good in a person's life. And somewhere you are trying really hard for yourself. You want to enjoy the fruits of your labor. You do not want anyone else to enjoy those fruits. Why should anyone else enjoy, you know it's more like I need this life, and this is one life which I have received, and I want to live it my way. So this is your energy. Tell me about the Five of Wands. So that means you somewhere you are ready to fight this out, and you are going to fight it out. The Page of Swords and one more. King of Swords. Wow, it was pretty hard. It is coming up to be a very pretty hard kind of a thing. It's like hard for you to take a decision, but you are thinking in a very practical manner. The approach is very practical, which you are thinking, because somewhere you will understand that your heart is telling the truth, and but you have to take the decision from your mind. So that means you are listening to your heart, and you are working with your mind. You are trying to tell your mind that I need to be practical right now. I cannot go towards something which will not give me any fruits. I want fruits in my life. I want money, I want fame, I want everything. So I have to be practical, I have to be selfish at this particular point of time. So this is how you are taking a very beautiful decision in your life in the coming future. So that is all from my side, my dear Aquarius. I hope that helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.